Did you hit record?
Okay, complement means adds to 90. Alright, that's important information that we need. Okay, so we can draw this, alright, as our 90. Okay, it's 14 times bigger than t. Alright, so we can draw, I would draw it maybe like something like that. Okay, if we call this angle t, what do we call this other angle? You could call it x. You could call it Avery. Okay, you could call it, okay, you guys are really late. Not JJ.
Excuse me,
to get your coat.
Mr. Tommy, I need to get a late. I need a late slip.
Alright.
Lies.
If we call this t, this little one, what can we call this other one? Still using t. Still using t. Not to the 14th power. 14t. 14t. Alright? If we call one of them t and the question saying this other one is 14 times the measure of t, alright, call it 14t. Now can you set up an equation for this? Alright, you have the necessary information, Iris. You've got complement, which means adds up to 90, and then you've got the two angles. So how do you set up an equation now?
14t times or plus t.
14t plus t equals 90.
Perfect. What's 14t plus t?
15t.
15t.
Then you use 90.
And then you divide 15.
Divide by 15 on both sides.
I can't see very well.
90 divided by 15. 15.
What's 90 divided by 15? Yeah, how'd you do that? Is there a trick in your head you used to do that? 15 and 15 is 30. Alright, another 15 and 15 is 60, another 15 and 15, I don't know. There's different ways to think about these things.
But then we're not done yet.
Don't forget 6 degrees. We're not done yet. Thank you, Mac. Alright, we're not done yet. Well, actually, it says what is the measure of angle t, so technically we are done. Alright, but what would this one be? 14 times 6 is...
14 times 6.
That sounds right. 6 times 4 is 4.
Well, are you going to do 90 minus 6?
90 minus 6.
Yeah, you can do that. Alright, do you guys see how these problems aren't nearly as bad as the other ones? Okay, Iris, are these easier or harder? Shamara, do you like these ones better or yesterday's, the angle bisectors and...
We need to do more of these.
These? Okay, so you guys want to do more of the challenging ones?
No.
More often, right?
No.
Just like for the quiz, I need to get an idea of what you want on the quiz. Do you want the hard ones or the easy ones or a mix of both?
Easy
Like,
one.
mostly easy ones, but a couple hard ones.
Yeah, let's think about that. Why would you want the hard ones? Let's
Why?
So we need
No,
to
no,
challenge.
hold on. I want to ask a philosophical question to Isaac. All right? Yeah, let's hear it.
To prepare us for high school and college.
No, forget about
College,
forget about preparing. Yeah, you're right, preparing. But why else? Why else is a challenge?
This is the only math on the.
So I can practice our...
the only math on the SAT.
Hey Isaac, if you go out and you play basketball with guys that you're way better than all the time, are you gonna get better?
You will get better.
You will get wrong.
You won't. All right.
You will be playing with
Okay, you want to play with guys that are better than you, so you can rise up to their level.
No. Play with little kids.
Play with little mom.
I just play with Maxwell.
That's what.
Yeah, you fouled out many times.
Yeah, you did. No, I haven't. Yes, you did.
Avery's fouled out.
FOH? Yes. All right, that's one game.
I feel mom, I feel dad, I feel.
You
I can kick you.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? You fouled out in the first half.
Don't you do it.
It was like 4 minutes and then
That was me.
What'd you get? I found
Like
out with like.
Who do we play?
I found out with less than a minute left.
No, you
Like
didn't.
50.
You fouled out with 10 minutes left.
Not 10 minutes. I was on the bench for 10
Avery, I
minutes.
still love you.
Yeah, well, I still played the whole entire game.
Because you're the only big.
Except for the last 10 minutes.
You're the point guard.
Guard or what?
No, Avery's not the point guard.
Avery's not the point, Mom.
That why?
What?
Rolita's the point guard.
Oh, Luca.
Is that
No, you know who it is?
Liz. Say it next one. My favorite.
You know, Dad, what I get you?
I know, it's too serious.
What? Bennett's passing out. I can see him zoning out.
All right, try this one out on your own. Iris.
We're going to double walk.
Oh
No,
my
we have
God.
too much to do.
Well, that's more of a thing.
I thought that was fun.
God, name.
It's fine, I get it. It wasn't fun for me when I was your age either. Honestly, this process that you're going through,
Hey,
Like,
trust the process.
the beginning processes of learning things usually aren't that fun.
This is the most fun. Oh, this is the most fun.
But I'll do my best to make it as fun as we can. Alright.
So that means no more of that.
Black Mom.
It means no more
Now we're doing those. It'll be a little bit different though.
I haven't done that in like a year.
Oh, we're doing skirt.
Eli.
Sort of.
I get
It'll
it.
be
Oh,
slightly
Asiago.
different, but yeah.
Some more
I know.
stressful tests.
The restaurant's still open, you know. And
Yeah.
the bar.
Still close.
And the
Did
black
you get an equation set up?
And the dad.
And mom.
And the dad.
Did you guys get an equation set up?
And
Yeah.
dad.
Okay, what's your equation?
Dad.
6y,
1
6y
equals
minus
1.
22 minus 1. Parentheses.
Thank you. Okay, really important.
I
Equals what? Player.
Zoot
So we're
Lord.
gonna have to choose the exponent.
Equals what?
Equals.
9.
180.
180.
Cost for God's sake.
180,
We
thank you.
have to leave the exponent fine.
We don't have any exponents. Where are you getting exponents from?
There are.
Zero.
No, those are degrees. This is some amount of degrees, some amount of degrees.
I thought that was a 1.
No, because then yeah, that'd be great. You remember everything to the 0 power is 1. That makes me so happy that you guys remember that.
I don't remember it. He remembers.
All right.
I was the one that
I
said
think
that.
I love that you're leaving the exponent or not the exponents, the parentheses. Okay. In this situation, we don't need them. Okay, we're already to the point where you can drop them.
So then you combine like terms.
You combine like.
Okay, so go ahead and do that. Can you guys solve this on your own? All right. Do you need me to walk you through it, or can I give you 30 seconds to solve it on your own, or a minute, Maxwell?
Oh, kill
Do
him.
it.
No, that's so old.
Solve it out.
Isn't that old?
Solve it, Mom.
Both angles. AOB.
Come on, I know you remember that.
22.
And BOR. Okay, how's it going? You doing okay?
What?
Are you doing okay here?
Watch out, little.
You got it, Bennett?
Is that a 6?
Come on, you know what I'm talking about?
Eli, you get it?
Ali, is that's a 6, right?
Where? Here?
Yeah.
That's a 6, yeah.
Whoa!
Yeah.
When you grow up, you ain't doing no shit.
Wait.
Wait, is 100?
If you're done with these angles are drawing.
Alright, 6y plus y is 7y.
Oh my god.
Minus 22 minus 1
It's all the girls.
is
Minus 23.
Thank you, Maxwell.
Stop blurting out things.
Then you add the empty tree.
Add the 23.
More.
And you eat.
Equal 180.
What do we got here?
Can we flip some markers?
Y is 203.
Okay, divide by 7, and what are we gonna get?
29.
Is that even? Exactly 29?
Exactly.
29 degrees. What's the other one gonna be? Or wait, no, we just found y. Sorry, that's not 29 degrees. That's just y. Alright?
20 mom, this is dead.
Angle BO, let's do BOR, is equal to y minus 1. Alright, so it's gonna be 28 degrees. Alright? And then angle AOB is equal to 6y minus 22. 6 times 29 minus 22. Alright, can someone do that for me? What's 6 times 29 minus 22?
Arm on, we need you to kill that.
Yes! You gotta watch that movie. It's so violent, but it's just awesome.
Alright. Any questions with this one? GK, Iris, Jamara, Isaac, Eli, any questions with this one?
I was on your Instagram last night, Eli.
Okay, just set them equal. You guys,
What?
what I'm trying to get you to become
Why?
comfortable with is taking the information and applying it. Alright, what's given to you? I'm always going to give you the information you need to solve these problems.
Wait, is that a 29? What's that? 6 times what?
29. This is y right here, okay?
This is
This is this right here, 6y minus 22. Alright, and then, are you with us here? How's geometry okay? Seems like you're doing a lot better with this stuff. Or like it's more enjoyable for you.
You have to say it.
It's a lot of writing.
You smell like deodorant.
It is, yeah.
Someone smells like just.
And you guys have gotten a lot better at it. Alright, there's 2. We just need to go over a couple more things. And then we're done for learning stuff this week.
Can we watch the movie?
Yeah!
I'm pretty sure.
Let's watch let's watch Good Will Hunting.
No, we're not watching a movie.
Let's watch Good Will Hunting.
You guys teach me that.
Yeah, we heard it.
Oh, I'm into both of them.
Oh, they know.
What's wrong with you?
Alright, you're done.
Why?
Where do life
Out of
go?
class. Out of class now.
So you get out of the NX now. You get down side.
Your ball's straight on.
I blocked it actually.
That's like an unequal.
All you know is the story.
I didn't even hear the story. Jeff was just like, yeah, GK can't be in the annex.
Of course.
I didn't ask.
And he's coaching us.
I can't really see with this.
I trust my coworkers, you know?
Don't
so.
trust Jeff.
Who
Okay.
hired you all?
He's a sneaky dog.
Let's call this Q and let's call this not X. Let's call it V.
Is that 4?
That's a 105 degrees. Alright? Q and V are parallel.
That's not 9.
I usually write in cursive, but for you guys I don't. Is it okay that I start writing in cursive again? Can you guys read cursive?
No, I can't read your
Can
hand.
you guys read that?
Absolutely not.
It might be better actually.
No.
If you can't read it now, maybe if I write cursive you can.
Don't make it worse.
I'll write a lot faster if I write cursive.
No.
I don't care. I'm the worst. No.
Alright, we'll try it out, okay? We'll try it out.
Why do you ask us then?
And then, you know, if you don't, like I'm a scientist, you gotta experiment. You don't know if you don't experiment, okay?
Experiment writing in cursive?
Yeah, I'll experiment for like a week and you guys, if you
I
guys,
thought you were about like 10 minutes.
you might like it, alright? Next week, you're like, oh, you know what? Your cursive is so much easier to read than your non-cursive.
I can't read.
Got him. What was that? Was that a staple?
Okay, there you go, all cursive. All cursive. Can you read that?
Someone had.
It's a lot easier to read, isn't it?
What
No,
are
it's not.
the measurements of all the angles?
See, my cursive is so much better.
What's one
No, it's
dimension?
not.
Look at that.
What are the measures of all angles?
It looks like there's 3 U's here.
There aren't 3 U's. There's 1 U.
Well, it looks like
Okay, the
it.
U is right here.
I
Okay, you
know.
see a U?
And then it
the
looks like
R.
another U.
No, that's the R.
Hey, what they teach at your own school? They don't teach you cursive?
We weren't really taught that together.
Alright, I only want to do one example like this.
You kind of were.
Okay, because I think you guys won't have a whole lot of difficulty with this.
Jeff.
No, don't have.
Wait, what does that say? That word.
Which word?
What's that?
Parallel.
Don't erase that, Ollie.
Okay, somebody tell me what angle 3 is.
Angle 3.
What's the measure of angle 3?
It would be a number.
Avery did.
Angle 3.
We have a paintbrush.
Okay, Chike, tell me what the measure of angle 3 is. Iris, tell me what the measure of angle 3 is. Okay, these are supplementary. This is what I'm trying to get at. When you have parallel lines that are cut through, alright,
It would be 75.
it would be 75. Okay, angle 3 is 75.
Up to 180. Or 180.
Angle 3, 75 degrees. Okay? I'm gonna give you this term. You don't need to know this term, all right? But I'm just gonna write it on here anyways. It's a line that cuts two parallel lines. Okay. If this one's 105 degrees, what do you think number 2 would be?
104.
Look at it. Yeah, number 2 is also 105 degrees.
I do not get this at all.
You know what else I don't get? You.
Rolita.
That's why we're doing it macros.
I mean, I don't get how are you getting these?
What are you talking about?
Okay, what's number 1? What's this one gonna be? Number 1.
75.
Also 75 degrees.
GK.
Okay, now take a look and tell me how Avery knows that these are the angles.
What happens when I say it?
Matt, can you toss me that purple or the red one?
I saw his Twitter, GK.
What?
His dad's Twitter. I found it.
I follow you
Okay.
on Twitter.
Let's take a look here. All right, can you put that away? Okay, can you put that away,
Buster.
please? Please.
I'll
I
tell
don't-
you his name.
What?
What's his name?
He said, please.
I'll tell you his name.
All right.
Tell me why all of those like hang black.
What's 105 plus 75?
No, Chica, I.
Look here.
180. Chike,
Eli.
stop talking.
Sorry.
What's 105 plus 75?
180.
It's 180. All right. These are 180. Okay. This one's also 180. This one's also 180. All right. This one's also 180. Okay. So these two will add up to 180. These two will add up to 180. All right. I'm giving you these properties. Okay. When you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal, okay, this angle is going to be the same as this angle. So this one's also 105. All right. This one's also 105. This one's 75, and this one's 75. Okay? These right here, all right, angle 1 and angle, we'll call this 4, they're corresponding angles. So if I'm going to give you a rule, it's that corresponding angles are equal in measure. Corresponding angles are equal in measure. Okay? And put a star by that. Alright, I think let's try one more so that you really get what's going on. Alright, this is 110 degrees. Find all the rest of the angles. Okay.
You need to chill. What's so funny? You need to chill.
Is that Sam's? Chica? That's Sam's,
Throw my
that's
eraser
Sam's
away.
sweatshirt.
Can you get it back, please?
Yeah.
I'm gonna just say your dad's real name.
Is this a different problem?
It was in Carter.
My God.
Okay, there's only going to be two different measures. There's going to be 110, and what's the other one got to be?
70. But like, what
70.
do you do like after you get off?
That's it. That's all. That's it. All right.
That's,
See? Is that easy, JJ?
Yeah, that's super easy.
Okay.
I thought there was.
Did you get it yet? All right.
Yeah.
What are the measure? What's the measure of angle 3? This one right here.
Wait, I can't see.
If this one's 110, what does that have to be? I know you already told me. What do these add up to, Chike? What do these add up to? What's that?
Parallel.
180. They add up to 180.
Oh.
So if this is 110, what does this one have to be? No? 110 plus something is 180. Who got it? 70. All right, this has to be 70. All right, now all of the rest of them are either going to be 70 or 110. Okay? Iris? Are you with me here? All right, so what's angle 4, Iris? What's this one right here? 70. Okay, Jamara, what's this one right here? What's this one? 110. Okay, Isaac, what's this one right here?
180. Oh, wait.
Ah.
Oh, that has to be 70.
No? 70 plus 70 would not equal 180. It's gotta be
110.
110. What's this other one gonna be right here?
Yeah.
70.
70.
This
You see what's going on?
This reminds me of the puzzle that we did with like the square and how like they all have to like go in a circle and equal each other. The square.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Okay, basically all of the angles on the lines will equal 180. Alright? Okay, last problem. Alright? Last one before I let you guys loose a little bit here.
So weird.
I'm loving this.
Green beans, tomatoes, no.
CK.
We have 2 academic classes today.
I'm saying my mom's name.
Okay, here's a symbol. New symbol.
I hate levels this long.
Why? We watch Moneyball.
We're not gonna watch it today.
Yeah, we are.
No, we're not. It's not stuff.
You don't want a horrible.
It's gonna be so boring.
We have double
You
history.
like that?
I hate global systems.
We have double history.
Yeah, you do current events. It's so boring. I hate that.
That's my second favorite class.
Why, Eli?
Why?
I'll play all.
Because it sucks. It's boring. I never had fun in that class.
Really?
Unless I was like playing on the computer.
Psych just playing.
What's wrong? Oh, then that's all.
Alright, here's the given info.
I'm very hostile. What is that class?
Do you swear to God that's what knows?
What does this mean? What is number 1 saying? I haven't really shown you the symbol yet. Can you kind of...
They're parallel. They're parallel.
J is parallel to F. Okay, Isaac? Number 1, what's that?
Parallel to F.
J, if you see a symbol like this,
So it's parallel.
what if you see a symbol like this?
Perpendicular. Use perpendicular.
Thank you. Alright?
Alright, is there any mouse?
Oh.
Alright. Okay, so parallel, perpendicular. What does it mean to be perpendicular, actually? It means they meet at
90
Middle.
degrees.
He's
90
possessed.
degrees. Okay?
He's possessed.
Meet at 90. The lines meet at 90 degrees. Alright? The question is, The question is, what is the measure of angle
Ghost
2?
Police 2.
Try to do
Possession.
Mongolian thrusting again, Maxwell.
It's called the.
Like what I was just doing.
Like the Mongolian thrusting you try to do.
Alright? Okay, Iris, I want you to find that.
Like that.
How do people do that? It's like
Remember that tutorial we saw, Eli?
you watch that so many times. Like you're
I
just
like
wait.
that.
I need to use the computer for a second. It's like, okay, Maxwell, I just need to finish the editing. We were all like watching it. So what are we doing?
Jared's passed out. You made Jared's passed out. He's like,
He was like, ah, I don't remember.
I don't know what I said. I don't remember.
And then you got lost in the Skeleton Institute.
Twice. I've been to my house twice.
And then what?
You got lost in the stairwell once.
I got lost in the stairwell once.
You were like filming, and then you like went up the stairwell. You're like, where am I?
Oh yeah, I kind of don't remember that. I don't remember that.
How'd you do, Iris?
I think you might have been joking,
Okay.
but like,
Does anyone
You're
have
like,
any
wait,
idea
I'm
how
lost.
to Eli B? Please. Okay, eyes up here. This is the last one, alright? Does anyone have any idea how to figure this out? What is the measure of angle 2? Okay, based on the information given. Alright, what information is given, Iris? That J is what?
parallel to it.
Parallel to F. Okay, J and F are parallel. And what did we do in the last problem, alright? Remember, we had all these angles, right? Okay, so if this is 47, this also has to be 47. Okay? It also has to be 47 because these are parallel and they're cut by a transversal. Alright?
Wait, so that's 2 degrees?
No, this is the name. This is angle 2. Okay, I'm asking what is the measure of angle 2? Let's just call it angle A.
Ballpark weight that is not made.
Let's call it angle A. Alright? And this line B might be throwing you off, alright? I put that there on purpose. Let me just draw it without line B. Okay, it would look like this. 47, 47.
41, 42.
Okay?
So it's 130.
Do you see? Okay, if B is perpendicular to T, B is perpendicular to T, what does that mean about this angle here? Or like this one here, which is the same as...
90 degrees.
It's 90 degrees, so 47 plus A is equal to 90 degrees. Now can you solve it?
Yeah.
Let's get it, family.
It is a large number of.
Is it larger than 90? Okay, so it's not that. Do you know how to solve it now?
I know what it is.
Solve for A.
40?
Okay, but Iris, I want to make sure you understand how we got here. Okay?
It's
You
43.
understand how we got? You see how we got
I got
here?
it first.
Jamara, do you see how we got here? Are you sure? If you're not sure, okay, let me know when we're doing circuits. I can work on this stuff with you guys.
43.
It's what?
43.
143. That's
No,
carry.
just 43.
43.
43.
Okay, A equals 43.
43.
She went in
75.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, 43. Right here, 43 degrees. Okay, we've done a lot, right?
Harvard.
The last 3 days, we've learned a whole new system, and we've done a lot. All right. I'm gonna split you